All right, well, I have this roof sitting up on there ready to weld.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already yo. So when you just getting out of the flats, I'm rounding it.
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
I have a Chevy Trax here. Something fell on the roof, so this one's going to get a new roof skin. All right, well, I have this roof sitting up on there ready to weld. Now I have to get a bunch of welding blankets to get everything covered real well before I start zapping this roof on. Luckily, I have a ton of blankets here, so. So anytime you have bare metal where windshield urethane goes, like across here, the windshield urethane lays down, you have to put down epoxy primer, which is what I'm doing right here, because that's what they want down to put the urethane on top of. So I'm going to coat all this bare metal with epoxy. All right, off to prep and paint for this one. Oh, gotta hook the battery back up. Anytime you're welding on a car, you want to disconnect the battery. Now, off to paint. I have a GMC Terrian here. This one got popped in the back and it messed up the lift gate. It's all rolled throughout this area. I'm not sure exactly how it's going to come out, but I'm going to try to repair it. I'll find out once I start rolling that back how it's going to go. And then it's smashed real good all in this area, so it's going to get this center part of this rear body panel real simple. It just goes in right here. I'll have to take this trailer hitch off to get to it, but I'm going to replace that new panel. But first I'm going to start on this lift gate and see how this is going to go first. So I went ahead and I lifted this lift gate off. The front's ready to prime. I'm going to finish up this back area, and then it could get primed up, and they'll just paint the lift gate and the bumper off the car while I replace that rear body panel piece. All right, onto this rear body panel.